break the tank. And it's that season time again for Christmas. We're gonna set up our LED crystal balls. This one's about 10 meters, 400 LED lights in here. You include it, premium quality. We're gonna take a look at it and see what you get. I'm gonna set them up, see how beautiful they look at night too. So nothing fancy, crystal balls at the end just to make sure that you are aware of. And it's supposed to look like something like this. So I'm gonna set it up, see how it looks like. So as you can see, we're gonna set it up on here on this bridge line right here. I try to see if I could set up everything on one system. So let's go ahead and do that. Even with the LED light, it's super bright. They're super bright, if you guys can see. Like them. All right, so here we have the lights. We're completed, and we're gonna do it. Well, first level. That's the first level. Do the other levels now. This is the second one. Nice. The other one. I like that one. Okay. And then what else can you do? Look at the different modes, different types of modes. And that's the last one. And then you could turn it off too if you want to from there. So